In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way that you can use to make your first $1,000 promoting Clickbank products. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Clickbank account and you want to come over to the search box and you want to type in free book. So what this literally means is there are products on Clickbank that give away ebooks for absolutely free. All what the customer needs to do is to pay for the shipping. That is all right, so I'm going to show you how to get a lot of conversions on this product for absolutely free, and I'm also going to show you a paid traffic source that you can use as well. So once you type in free ebook in the search bar right here, you are going to see a lot of ebooks that you can start promoting right away. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this one here as an example. So if I click on this link right here, as you can see, now it's going to bring me to the product page right here. As you can see right here, this ebook is absolutely free. You can see yours free right here. All what the visitor needs to do is to pay for the shipping of this product. So now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this product right here. So the next thing you want to do is to create a landing page. I can't stress the importance of this enough. So once you have a landing page, it's going to make your link look professional, and most people are going to click on it as opposed to the generic Clickbank link. As you can see, the Clickbank link right here, it looks weird, so many people are not going to click on this type of link. So that is one of the reasons why you have to create a landing page, and you can use breezy.io or you can use Google Sites as well. All right, so I'm going to be taking breezy.io as an example. So all you just need to do is to click on create new project, and you want to click on create. And now you want to click on edit project, and then you want to click on this plus button right here, and then you want to choose this template right here. Okay, so basically this is a template that has a video on it, and don't worry, I'm going to show you what to do with this. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to head over to YouTube and you want to find a video that is closely related to the product. As you can see right here, how to lose weight, as this product right here is talking about how to lose weight. As you can see, lose up to 14 pounds in the first 14 days. All right, so basically this video right here are closely related to this product right here. So you want to pick the most engaging video that talks about how to lose weight right here on YouTube, and you want to grab the link to that video. So once you copy the link, you want to go back to your landing page builder, and then you want to delete this section right here. Okay, and then you want to come over to this plus button and you want to grab video and you want to paste it right here. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to click on this video icon and you want to change the video link right here. So you want to delete this and you want to paste the link you just copied on YouTube. As you can see, this is the video right here. So the next thing you want to do, you want to change this heading to something simple like watch this free video to learn how to lose weight. All right, so you can type in something simple like this, and right here you want to also type in something simple like click the button below to claim your free weight loss ebook, 10 copies left. So this is just to add some curiosity and make people want to grab the ebook as fast as possible. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to drag and drop a button. So you want to look for a button right here, okay, and you want to paste in this button underneath this video. And then you want to type in something simple like click here to get a free ebook today. So as you can see right here, this is a super clean and very simple landing page. So once they click and watch this video, as this video is completely related to this ebook right here, so once they click on this button right here, they will be redirected to this product page. All right, as you can see, it's a free product. All they just need to do is click on this ship me my free ebook. And once they do that, you are going to get paid $10. All you literally need is 100 people to ship this product, and you've made your first $1,000 on Clickbank for absolutely free. Now you can create a similar landing page on Google Sites as well, or any other landing page builder of your choice. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on publish page, and then you want to click on this go to dashboard. So as you can see right here, usually Breezy is going to give the landing page a generic name, so you want to change that. As always, if you have a domain of your own, you can link it up to that domain, or you can choose a subdomain. All right, so I'm just going to type in weight loss. Okay, someone has chosen that, so I'm just going to type in, all right, weight loss now 1. So just using that as an example. So if I click on this button right here, as you can see, this is the landing page right here. Very professional and so simple. All right, so coming back here, I just realized I didn't add the link to the Clickbank product right here. So basically, once you have your button, you want to click on this link icon here and you want to paste in the link to the Clickbank product. All right, so you want to go back to Clickbank and I'm going to click on this create up link again. And I'm going to copy this up link and I'm going to paste in the link right here. All right, so now all I just need to do is click on update. All right, so once I click on update, the link is going to be updated in this button. So if I go back to this page right here, so all I just need to do is refresh this page now. All right, so if I click on this button now, it's going to take me to the Clickbank product. So as you can see now, this is the Clickbank product right here. All right, so all they just need to do is ship this product and you make easy $10. All right, so it's that simple. And like I said earlier, you can create a similar landing page like this on any landing page builder of your choice. Now I am going to show you 2 traffic sources that you can use to start driving targeted traffic to this landing page. All right, so the first one is Google Ads. All right, so basically if you have some budget to run Google Ads, then you want to come over to ads.google.com and then you want to switch to expert mode. All right, so once you do that, you want to select this website traffic right here, and once you do that, you want to select this search campaign. All right, and then you want to paste in the link to your landing page right here. All right, so I'm just going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it right here. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to click on continue. All right, so now you want to leave this as only search network. You want to disable this display Google search network. All right, so the next thing you want to do now, you want to select the country of your choice, whatever country you want to target. You want to click on this enter another location and you want to type in whatever country you are targeting. So if I take United States right here, okay, so if I click on United States, so basically I can target United States. And if you want to enter another country, all you just need to do is type in the country right here. All right, so whatever country you want to target is up to you. So I'm going to click out of this. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to select English. All right, now you want to type in your budget right here. So if it's $10, you want to type in $10 right here. And keep in mind, this is what you are going to be spending every day. Okay, but I recommend you select this cost per click. Okay, so basically you are going to be paying for people who click on the landing page. So once you're done, you want to click on this save and continue. All right, so once you are in the next page right here, as you can see, so you want to type in keywords that are related to this product or to this free ebook. So something like weight loss. And if you are looking for more keywords, you can basically go over to Google and you can type in how to lose weight. All right, you can see there are a lot of keywords here: how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight within a week. So these are keywords people are searching for on Google itself. So once you do that, you want to type in all of those keywords in this box right here. And once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save and continue. So here you are going to give your ad a title. All right, so I'm just going to type in get this ebook. All right, so you want to type in something simple like this. You want to get creative. Okay, you want to type in get this ebook now, limited copies. All right, so basically you want to fill in these boxes right here. And once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save and continue. So it's going to bring you to this page right here where you are going to set up your billing method. And once you do that, your ad will be sent for approval. And once it gets approved, you are going to start getting clicks and you can start making money on Clickbank. So the next traffic source that I'm going to show you is Quora. So basically you can come over to Quora and you can type in how to lose weight. And as you can see right here, there are numerous questions that you can write a short answer and you can recommend this absolutely free ebook that they can get it for absolutely free. All right, so basically you are not selling this product. All they just need to do is pay for shipping of this product and you make money in return. And like I said, you don't want to come over here to spam people with just the link. You want to answer their question, or you want to go over to Google and type in their question. And once you find the answer to the question, you want to recommend this product in the answer to that question. So I hope that makes sense. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.